Basic kick package. Today we're going to be covering a roundhouse kick, okay? Which is again one of the 3 basic kicks that you will learn in any martial arts class. Front kick, side kick and round kick are your general 3 that you learn first, okay? So, some people call this a turning kick also, but I will refer to it today as a roundhouse kick as that's what I've been brought up in saying. Example of a roundhouse kick first, and then let's break it down. So, like the front kick and the side kick, there's 4 points also to this kick. Knee chamber, kick out and extend, V-chamber, and then finish the kick. Come down, ready for the next move, okay? So, we're going to break this kick down into those 4 points. Also remembering the pivot of the foot, turning the foot as you come up for that knee chamber, the extension of the kick and which part we are kicking with on the foot, and arms as well. Arm positioning is very, very important, just as important as your legs are when kicking, okay? If we're having our arms down like this whilst kicking, it just ruins the whole move, okay? So be aware of your body, be in touch with every part of your body when you're kicking. So starting off this kick, I'm going to use this as my target just so you can see nicer and the positioning nicer of the kick, okay? So we're here, my target, position 1, I'm going to pivot on this bottom foot, same time I'm going to bring this back leg through to this knee chamber, okay? My hips are forward, and for a roundhouse kick, my knee and my leg is just slightly behind my hip, okay? And this enables us when we do the kick to just have this impact, okay? You really want to drive those hips through first, leg follows, and that's where you get that real good snap and crispness within this kick, okay? So, I'm here, I'm going to turn this foot out, I'm going to come up with that knee, hips lead first, knee gets to there, then when your knee's pointing towards your target, you extend that back leg, and that's where you kick the roundhouse kick out, okay? The positioning is slightly similar to the side kick, so you want this whole nice straight line between foot and body, okay? It's not as important, so you can be like this more so in a round kick. You can have a slight curve within your body, but not too much. You don't want to be kicking like this. Okay? It's just wrong posture there. So, we're here. We have turn, position 1, those hips come through, followed directly after by the knee. Then from there we extend that kick, and then we V-chamber and down, okay? Now, which part of the foot do we kick with for the roundhouse kick? So, the simple answer is, for display purposes, and when I'm competing, do musical forms, I kick with the flat of the foot. So I keep this foot nice and pointed, and I kick with the flat edge of the foot there, so it comes round, and that's my impact, okay? However, traditional version of this kick is to kick with the ball of the foot. So you flex that foot, you bring those toes back, and you would kick here. Okay, and that's my point of impact there. So here, more freestyle version, you would kick here, boom. And now traditional version, you would come through here and kick here. Okay, with the ball of the foot. Completely down to preference and what you do or what your style is and so on. So let's get back to the kick itself. So from here, we have position 1. Turn that bottom base foot, pivot, bring that hip up, knee up, extend for 2. Okay, we're kicking with a pointed foot today. We're gonna re-chamber, bring that body back up and down, okay? So that's your 4 points to the roundhouse kick. And again, ready, from here, we have 1, 2, extend, 3, pull back, 4, down. Very, very nicely. And I'm just gonna show you one more example fast. Good. And there you have it, that's your roundhouse kick.